Sicela umama nobaba sibanike ithuba uJabu asondele uJabu
ISN Gauteng Informal Settlement Proposed Memorandum. We silethela uPremier Nomvula Mokonyane sithumela yena le memorandum yona ifuneka ngalendlela. We the Informal Settlement Network in Gauteng place the following before the office of the Premier. 1. The government must be the first provincial government to declare that it is an informal settlement friendly government and that there shall be no evictions in the province.